What's up, people? Today we're going out to Ocean Grove to see what goes on out there. I'm not too sure what's going to go on. I'm out there to go see my cousin, and yeah, I got my auntie there too. She's over from New Zealand, so I don't know, I'm going to go see them. I'll keep that private, but there is some stuff to see over there, so yeah, it's meant to be quite a good place, so we'll see how we go. It's a 2-hour drive from here, so we're going to do that. It's a bit of a funny day. It's been drizzling this morning. We'll see how we go. Where are we? Queenscliff, I believe it is. Queenstown, Queenscliff. Come around, we're doing a full lap of where we're going to be. So I've visited my cousin, seen my auntie and extended family, very good. Picked up this picture frame in the back here, and now we're just queuing up here. Like, I'll show you the lineup here. Hang on a sec. So we're queuing up to actually go back on the ferry. I've never been on the ferry here, so it's going to go across Port Phillip Bay. It takes about 40 minutes, and yeah, it should be nice. I think it's $62 or something to get on the ferry with the car. I think it's going to cut about half hour of my travel time. Been away on the Great Ocean Road up behind us here, which just goes a fair way. And this is what most of these people are over here. They've got their caravans and everything, so hopefully we can avoid some of the traffic, because coming down here, even though it was lunchtime, going the opposite way was double lane and just traffic. There we go, we made it onto the boat. It's quite nice around here. Just have a top deck here. It's pretty decent. It's not like we're in Paris or anything. Yeah. Pretty good marina. So just walk down here. Pretty sweet. Downstairs, we'll stay up here until it gets going, but it's pretty good. close to the water. One going from Dover in England, and then the one going to Calais in France. You can't really get close to the water. This one's pretty cool. Pretty grunty. Good shit. My car's stuck down in there somewhere, standing here. Successfully made it off the ferry. Now we're going to go get some food. Going up to the Cornell's fresh seafood. Apparently it's all fresh. Might be local. Seems a bit pricey. I don't care about the price. Lens is filthy.
What? Yeah. Other ball is in.
Oh, I think that'll do it for today's adventure. We started out way over there. Way over there. It's another hour and a bit to get home. And we've come all the way around, all the way around, all the way around, all the way around, and we're over the other side on the ferry there. So a pretty big drive. It's good though. See the sign out there. I'm going to leave some, got a little bit of battery left. I'm going to hook it up to the gimbal here and probably do some time lapse there. And then just probably sit here. I've got my fish and chips now. Gonna watch the sun go down. Why not? Looks like it's probably got another hour on in there.